off. Sexy Bexies getting the cube into that goal. Sexy Bexies looking to pick up another cube as the Sparkles knock off their first red. Sexy Bexies appears they have a cube under their lip. Let's see if they can get out. Sparkles getting all the reds off. Sexy Bexies getting another cube. With 25 seconds left, he must now switch drivers. Sexy Bexies going for another cube. All the reds have been knocked off. Sexy Bexies has a cube in their system. Let's see if they can get it into the goal. With 10 seconds left, the Sparkles trying to get apart. Sexy Bexies getting another cube into that goal. With 3 seconds left, the Sparkles get apart. We have 7